Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make Alfredo sauce the Italian way. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 100 grams of high-quality Parmigiano Reggiano cheese, 50 grams of unsalted butter, and your favorite pasta. Remember to reserve some of the starchy pasta water. These simple, fresh components are the foundation for a truly authentic and delicious Alfredo sauce, ensuring a creamy texture and rich flavor. Next, cook your pasta in well-salted water until it's perfectly al dente. While the pasta cooks, melt about 50 grams of unsalted butter in a large, wide pan over very low heat. This gentle melting prevents the butter from browning. Grate about 100 grams of fresh Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. Don't forget to reserve at least 1 cup of that starchy pasta water. It's vital for the sauce's consistency. Now the magic happens. Drain your pasta, but don't rinse it, and immediately add it to the pan with the melted butter. Begin adding the grated Parmigiano Reggiano cheese in small batches, tossing constantly. Gradually introduce the reserved pasta water, about 1/4 cup at a time, while stirring vigorously. This process emulsifies the sauce, creating that signature creamy texture without any cream. Keep tossing the pasta and sauce until it reaches a beautiful, glossy, and creamy consistency. If it seems too thick, add a tiny bit more pasta water until it's just right. Serve your authentic Alfredo immediately, garnished with a fresh grind of black pepper. This simple, elegant dish truly highlights the quality of its few ingredients, offering a taste of Italy in every bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.